If you are a robotics engineer or developer, you know how difficult it is to get a job. But here is the reality. When a company needs to hire someone to build a real-world system, they aren't just looking for a degree. They are looking for knowledge of the field. They want to see the engineer who has already successfully integrated sensors, written production-level code, and navigated the dirty challenges of real-life hardware. The traditional path of relying solely on a diploma is getting less and less important in robotics job applications. Most university programs do not provide real-life robotic problem-solving skills and job handling, but a lot of theoretical concepts and some limited practice. Because of this, employers are seeing a flood of identical AI-generated resumes based on degrees that look great in theory but lack a real demonstration of possessed skills. This makes it nearly impossible for them to distinguish between a real engineer and someone who just looks good on paper. To stand out, you must show your work. You need a digital portfolio, a GitHub repository, or a dedicated website that serves as your technical spotlight. Create right now this portfolio webpage and start populating it with your robotics projects. Don't just list your skills. Instead, document your projects with clear videos of your robots in action and the actual code you wrote. Most importantly, explain your design choices. Why that specific sensor? How did you handle that communication error? This documentation is what proves your expertise to a hiring manager. If you haven't done any real-life robotics project, then what are you waiting for? Start right now searching for one on YouTube and then try to replicate it. Then include it into your portfolio. Now, there is one critical exception to this rule. If your goal isn't to work in the industry as an engineer, but rather to push the boundaries of the field in robotics research, then you still need that degree. Research happens at the frontier of what's possible, and for that specific path, an official PhD still remains the standard requirement. But for everyone else, stop collecting certificates and start finishing projects. Whether it is a small mobile bot or a complex autonomous system, your ability to execute and document is your greatest asset. Build it, share it, and prove what you can do. In this industry, your portfolio is your real degree. And if you don't know how to start, check our Robotics Developers Masterclass program that provides you with all the knowledge, the project, and of course, a portfolio that you will need to enter into the robotics job market. Get ready fast with our structured program.